Okay, first try it video. I came home later this morning because I wasn't feeling too well and mowed the lawn because I figured out what it was. Took a little nap, done it early this afternoon. I awoke to lightning, thunder, and rain and hail. Seems to have lessened up on the lightning and thunder, and even the hail, but the ones that are coming down now are big. Let's see. No zoom. No zoom. No zoom in video mode. Interesting. Okay. Something to wake up to, huh? Flooding the lawn. Be interesting to see how much we got in a short period of time. That's good enough for now.